Today we're going to be unboxing, assembling, and setting up my new vanity. First and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could give you my full and honest review. So the assembly is quick and simple. The parts are labeled clearly. Here you can see the frame coming together piece by piece, sturdy, sleek, and ready to transform into the centerpiece of your room. Once assembled, I peeled off the protective film from the mirror. This was so satisfying, and here's the very first look at the complete vanity from top to bottom. Clean lines, modern design, and a polished finish that instantly elevates in any space. The large LED mirror features 3 light settings: warm yellow, warm white, and cold white. This is perfect for natural daytime makeup, evening glam, or simply getting the best lighting for your skincare routine or selfies. Behind the mirror is the hidden storage compartment. Once it's open, you'll find extra space for perfume, skincare, or daily essentials you want within reach but out of sight. It's like having a beauty station with built-in organization. The vanity includes 5 drawers of varying sizes. The main double knob drawer in center offers plenty of space for larger items like hair tools. On the side, 3 smaller drawers are perfect for lip glosses, palettes, or jewelry. Each drawer slides smoothly and closes neatly. Details matter, from the gold knobs on each drawer to the sturdy metal frame with elegant gold accents, paired with the glossy acrylic top. The vanity combines durability with a modern, luxurious look. One of the most useful features is the built-in charging station. With 2 USB ports and 2 power outlets, you can charge your tablet or your phone while styling your hair at the same time. Here, I went ahead and plugged in my iPad. Right next to it, I plugged in my thermal brush. Both worked at the same time. Here's what it looks like in action: styling your hair while catching up on a podcast, a YouTube tutorial, or even a video call. Next, I started filling up the vanity. Perfumes on the side shelves, lotions, glosses in the drawers, jewelry tucked behind the mirror, and hair tools in the main center drawer. Everything has its place, and the result in this vanity is not just pretty, but it's actually pretty practical. I didn't fill it up fully. I just kind of wanted to give you an idea of what this looks like, and take a look. It is so spacious. Here's the final look: organized, stylish, and ready for everyday use. This vanity brings luxury, convenience together. So if you've been searching for a makeup station that truly does it all, this is it. The large LED mirror with 3 modes, the 5 drawers, the hidden storage, built-in outlets with USB charging, modern design, acrylic, the gold finish. This is such an amazing vanity. So if you've been looking for a new vanity for yourself or a loved one that makes a great gift, then I would definitely check this one out. I'll leave the link down below.